Hello friends, very good evening. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are doing your speaking practice every single day. So welcome back to my channel English with Menika guys. Today I am going to narrate the story. ठीक है, ये स्टोरी एक लड़का है जिसका नाम राहुल है और क्या क्या उसके साथ होता है, एक छोटी सी इंसिडेंट है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल all the incident in English. So let's see and what you will going to learn. Okay, so make sure we watch this video till the very end. Okay, let's come to the point. So story study. Rahul got up at 5 o'clock and then he got fresh, drank water, and he had his breakfast, and then he got ready for office. Then, after getting ready, and within a few minutes, he was ready to go to his office, and he went to office and he met with colleagues and friends, and then he talked with them, and he almost spent 8 hours in the office doing the work. And when he finished his office work, he was coming home. On the way he met one guy. He was looking completely stranger. Okay, then Rahul asked with that guys, "Hey, you look so stranger." Then that man, he was staring the Rahul. Okay, Rahul get little scared, but that man didn't reply anything. Rahul came to home and shared this incident all share with their family members, mothers, fathers, sibling. Everyone just laughing. What are you saying? No one ready to believe this. Okay, then Rahul told them, let's go out, I want to show that people, that person. Okay, then everybody just ready and came out from the home, and they were just standing their main door. Suddenly one neighbor came out and she started asking, what happened? Why you were standing here? Then Rahul said the same story with that woman, and she was saying, yes, it is right, because this thing happened with my husband too. Whenever he was coming back from office, every time he used to see that same person. Okay, then still, Rahul's family not ready to believe this. They wanted to see where is that person. While talking, Rahul again said, "Hey, look at, I can see the person, he was standing there. Look, I can see this. I can see him." Then everyone just looking here and there, but person was not visible except of Rahul. Then within a few seconds, the neighbor's husband, he was coming from office, and he was asking what happened, why are you standing here? Then Rahul said the same story. Then the lady, he was Rahul neighbors, he told to the Rahul and Rahul's family, yes, this person is not any man, like human being. Wait, getting call. He is a ghost. Ghost यानी भूत है, and we can't see. So when and my husband, he also saw the same person whenever he came from the office. So what he did, he went एग्जॉसिट आई थिंक, हाँ, जिसे झाड़ फूँक बोलते हैं ना, जो झाड़ फूँक करता है उसके पास गया. ही वेंट टू द एग्जॉसिट्स एंड द पर्सन, एंड देन ही गॉट देयर टैलिस्मैन. टैलिस्मैन बोला जाता है ना ताबीज, ठीक है, जिसे हम हाथ में, गले में, जहाँ भी पहने. and he wear that talisman, and then he never saw the person and he never got scared. So this is the story, guys. It is just a face story, you can say that. I'm just trying to narrate the story. I just want to try to sum up my thought, you can say, and I just want to create the story. So in this way you can try. And I think I did a mistake, one spelling mistake. I think exhausts. I will write actually I forget the correct spelling, I think that. So I will write while editing. And so guys, what I want to say, whatever the things happening, try to create a small story, maybe 1 minute, 2 minute, okay, 3 minutes. You can try small story, maybe only for 2 minutes, because in this way you will able to realize you are able to sum up your thought or not. You are summarizing whatever the thought coming in your mind, you are able to complete it at a, like a story or not. So this is the way you can enhance your speaking skill. Thank you so much, guys.